Right, welcome back to the vlog, everybody. I hope you liked the last one. So, the Lexus is back in the garage. We've got a week till we go drifting, and we are going to fit a YDC short shifter. It went in for MOT, and it's got a few fails, which are bushings, which we're going to sort out in, probably just sort it out without having it in the video, just get it done, and then it's going to get MOT'd ready next week. So we need to fit the shifter, replace the gearbox oil, sort out these bushings, there's only two, and do a track rod end because that's broken as well, and then we should be ready for drifting. So yeah, please like the video and go down and subscribe. We've been, the ECU video did mint. We got a couple of subscribers off that, so just go down and subscribe if you've not already. And yeah, we're trying to hit 1,000, so let's get cracking. Right, so I've pulled this off. Oops. Then I've undone the bolts for the hydro and the plate that went over it. I've took this off, took this one off, and then pulled this rubber off, and these 410mm here. So we'll get these off. You get on? Let me just short camera. Right, so we've disconnected the shifter and we've got the cradle out. It goes this way. Well, either way, it don't matter. So the front of the gearbox is here. Two 12mm on either side. We've dropped the gearbox so we can get to them, and then through the tunnel you get these two 12mm on top. So let me just get the other one. So basically the other one is the exact same, it just looks a bit more beefier. So this is going to go on again. Two 12mm on top, two 12mm at side, and these are on anyway, and then we connect it here, and that's it. Should be done dusted, we hope. Right, so we've been underneath, we've put the cradle on, we've emptied the oil, we've filled it back up because it were making a bit of a whining noise, so I just wanted to double check we put enough oil in, because last time we used the shitty filter and a pump, sorry, and I don't think we put enough in, to be honest. So now we've got 2 litres in, and this is it from the top. So now what we're going to do is do a bolt that in first. Yeah we're going to have to, aren't we? So we're going to bolt this in. I'll put it in and bolt it in, and make sure it's all working. Right, I know you've probably not seen a lot on this video, but the short shifter's now in. We just want to get it done. The throat is on medium. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this down here, but yeah, looks pretty sick, feels pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a check out of the other videos. We'll see you in a bit. Peace.